First question: who is credited with inventing the air brake, a revolutionary safety device for trains? A. Thomas Edison. B. Alexander Graham Bell. C. George Westinghouse. D. Nikola Tesla. The correct answer is option C, George Westinghouse. Next question. Who developed amplitude modulation, AM, a key technology in radio communication? A. Guglielmo Marconi. B. Reginald Fessenden. C. James Clerk Maxwell. D. Heinrich Hertz. The correct answer is option B, Reginald Fessenden. Next question. Who invented the anemometer, a device used to measure wind speed? A. Leonardo da Vinci. B. Leon Battista Alberti. C. Galileo Galilei. D. Isaac Newton. The correct answer is option B, Leon Battista Alberti. Next question. Who is credited with inventing the barometer, a device used to measure atmospheric pressure? A. Blaise Pascal. B. Evangelista Torricelli. C. Isaac Newton. D. Galileo Galilei. The correct answer is option B, Evangelista Torricelli. Next question. Who invented the cathode ray tube, CRT, in 1897, a technology that became foundational for televisions and monitors? A. Thomas Edison. B. Ferdinand Braun. C. Nikola Tesla. D. John Logie Baird. The correct answer is option B, Ferdinand Braun. Next question. Who invented the dynamometer, an instrument used to measure force, torque, or power? A. Blaise Pascal. B. Edmé Regnier. C. Evangelista Torricelli. D. Alessandro Volta. The correct answer is option B, Edmé Regnier. Next question. Who invented the ammeter, a device used to measure electric current? A. André Marie Ampere. B. Alessandro Volta. C. Friedrich Drexler. D. Michael Faraday. The correct answer is option C, Friedrich Drexler. Next question. Who invented the calorimeter, an instrument used to measure the heat of chemical reactions? A. Antoine Lavoisier. B. James Joule. C. Joseph Black. D. Daniel Fahrenheit. The correct answer is option A, Antoine Lavoisier. Next question. Who invented the inclinometer, an instrument used to measure angles of slope, tilt, or elevation? A. Galileo Galilei. B. Rufus Porter. C. Isaac Newton. D. Blaise Pascal. The correct answer is option B, Rufus Porter. Next question. Who invented the magnetometer, a device used to measure the strength and direction of magnetic fields? A. Sheldon Bryner. B. Michael Faraday. C. James Clerk Maxwell. D. Hans Christian Ørsted. The correct answer is option A, Sheldon Bryner. Next question. Who is credited with the invention of the telescope, an optical instrument used to observe distant objects? A. Galileo Galilei. B. Hans Lippershey. C. Isaac Newton. D. Johannes Kepler. The correct answer is option B, Hans Lippershey. Next question. Who were the inventors of the microscope? A. Thomas Edison and Nikola Tesla. B. Alexander Graham Bell and Guglielmo Marconi. C. Hans Lippershey and Zacharias Janssen. D. Leonardo da Vinci and Galileo Galilei. The correct answer is option C, Hans Lippershey and Zacharias Janssen. Next question. Who are credited with the invention of the LED, light-emitting diode? A. Thomas Edison and Alexander Graham Bell. B. Oleg Luzov and Nick Holonyuk. C. Marie Curie and Enrico Fermi. D. Nikola Tesla and Michael Faraday. The correct answer is option B. Oleg Luzov and Nick Holonyuk. Next question. Who is credited with the discovery of gravity? A. Albert Einstein. B. Sir Isaac Newton. C. James Clerk Maxwell. D. Stephen Hawking. The correct answer is option B. Sir Isaac Newton. Next question. Who is the Hubble Space Telescope named after, and which organization developed it? A. Carl Sagan and ISA. B. Edwin Hubble and NASA. C. Galileo Galilei and ISRO. D. Johannes Kepler and JAXA. The correct answer is option B. Edwin Hubble and NASA. Next question. Who is credited with the invention of the induction motor? A. Thomas Edison. B. Michael Faraday. C. Nikola Tesla. D. James Clerk Maxwell. The correct answer is option C. Nikola Tesla. Next question. Who invented the kinetoscope? A. Thomas Edison. B. Louis Le Prince. C. Charles Francis Jenkins. D. George Eastman. The correct answer is option B. Louis Le Prince. Next question. Who invented the fuel cell? A. Thomas Edison. B. Michael Faraday. C. William Grove. D. James Watt. The correct answer is option C. William Grove. Next question. Who invented the battery? A. Thomas Edison. B. Alessandro Volta. C. Benjamin Franklin. D. James Watt. The correct answer is option B. Alessandro Volta. Next question. Who invented the steam turbine? A. Thomas Edison. B. Charles Parson. C. James Watt. D. Robert Fulton. The correct answer is option B. Charles Parson.